Guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to remove all posts from your Facebook account. So first of all, you will open up Facebook, and after opening up Facebook, you will go into your profile, and these are all of your posts. Okay, so on Facebook there is not any specific option to actually remove all of your posts, but we can do this when you are first of all, you need to tap on your profile picture at the top right, and then you will tap on settings here, the gear option, and you have to search for this option where it says posts. Okay, and you will actually tap on the third option where it says limit who can see past posts. So you can actually limit the posts. Okay, so here it says that limit past posts, and what this will do is it will automatically hide those posts that will actually pass the time zone that you will set here. So that is the basically trick to actually hide all of your posts. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.